Hey guys, so today I want to do a quick video on how to switch from a Microsoft account to a local account in Windows 11. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Start menu. Then you're going to click Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to click on Accounts over here on the left-hand side. Then you're going to click Your Info. And you're going to scroll down to this section that says Microsoft Account. And you're going to click this link that says sign in with a local account instead. Once you do that, it's going to ask you if you're sure that you want to switch to a local account. You're going to click next. Then you're going to put in your Microsoft account password. And then it's going to ask you to enter your local account info. I'm going to leave the password blank, so I'm just going to click next. And then it's going to ask you to sign out and finish. And now you're ready to use Windows 11 with a local account. Alright, so that concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified next time I post a video. Thanks for watching.